Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Today the topic is quality of work life. Message. Bible means basic information before leaving earth. Coming to the topic. Businesses improve their chances of success if they adopt quality of work-life strategy. Businesses will develop if they adopt quality of work-life strategy. Employee is a high leverage variable in business concerns. Employee is high variable leverage. Leverage means power to influence. Variable means changeable. Quality of work-life process strengthens business and society in the economic downturn. Downturn means docile inactivity. Promoters of any businesses should go for a long-term solution instead of quick fix solution. Quality of work-life strategies can pay off in multiple ways for the business. Benefits from quality of work-life strategy are: 1. Employers can reduce the cost of doing business. 2. They can attract and hold talent. 3. They can increase talent. 4. They can strengthen employee commitment. 5. They can build a positive image in the marketplace. 6. They can improve access to a broader resource pool. 7. They can strengthen families, society, and education. Message. Sin not only stick to sinners but also to abettors, encouragers. Coming to the topic, quick fix solution. Employees, managers, and unions must believe the organization is concerned about them. Managements to allow the employee to decide what needs to be done to produce high volume of quality goods and services. Management culture. Management culture of each organization, a part of its total culture, consists of the relationships allowed between managers, non-managers. Organizational management culture aspects. 1. Attitudes, beliefs, principles, and philosophies. 2. Priorities, values, ethics, status, and reward systems. 3. Norms, standards, rules, and regulations. 4. Design, structure, organization, and technology. 5. Policies, procedures, and processes. Message. The single finger which wipes our tears during failures is better than 10 fingers which come together to clap on our victory. Coming to the point, number 6, communication systems and languages. 7, reporting and personal practices. 8, decision making, problem solving, and conflict resolutions. 9. Compensations, recognitions, and promotions. 10. Work environment in terms of appearances of people and ergonomics. Ergonomics means physical space. Message. Real beauty is in heart, not in face. Coming to the topic, new work culture dimensions. 1. Industrial democracy. 2. Participation and involvement in the enterprise. 3. Communication and information orientation. 4. Egalitarian rather than hierarchical relationship. Egalitarian means equality. 5. Risk taking and creativity. Trust building between management and employees is required. Before concluding this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.
Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.